Welcome back. This is the final match in the semi-finals in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The correct scores are Creative Kids Learning Academy on 6 and Belair Prep on 5. Creative Kids Learning Academy gained a point for the answer given in the science section. Tidal energy was in fact accepted by the judges. It's now time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. Face-Off 1 is in the category of mathematics. It's between Jaden Green of Belair Prep. Jaden is up against the captain of Creative Kids Learning Academy, Malik Campbell. Jaden, we begin with you. What is 7, 7, 8, 9, 5? Rounded to the nearest 10,000.
80,000.
That's right. A ladder costs $1,300 plus 10% tax. What's the total cost of the ladder, including tax?
$1,430.
That's right. What is 2 and 2 over 3 plus 4 and 2 over 3 as a mixed number in its lowest terms?
7 and 1 over 3.
That's right. What's the simple interest on $2,400 invested at a rate of 8% for 2 years?
$394.
That's incorrect. Captain Malik, want to try?
Yes, please. $384.
That is correct. Jaden, what's the average of 155 and 87?
1 to 1.
That is correct. Captain Malik, over to you. What is 6, 8, 5, 7, 8? Rounded to the nearest 100.
68,600.
That's right. A bag costs $1,250 plus 10% tax. What's the total cost of the bag, including tax?
$1,375.
That's right. What is 5 and 1 over 2 plus 3 and 3 over 4 as a mixed number in its lowest terms?
9 1/4.
That's right. What's the simple interest on $2,800 invested at a rate of 3% for 5 years?
$420.
That's right. What's the average of 257 and 65?
161.
5 of 5, Captain Malik. That is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of science. It's between Jedithan Davis of Belair Prep, who's up against Mackay Collins of Creative Kids Learning Academy. Jedithan, what machine can be used to clean the blood when the kidney does not function properly?
Dialysis.
Judges? Dialysis machine, that is correct. Jedithan? Pyridoxine is another name for which specific vitamin?
Vitamin B6.
That's right. The suspensory ligament connects which two parts of the human eye?
The lens and the cornea.
That's incorrect. Mackay, want to try?
Yes, please. Ciliary body and lens.
Please repeat.
Ciliary body and lens.
That is correct. Jedithan, what's the name for the prediction about what the weather will be like in the future?
Weather forecast.
That's correct. Describe or name the condition of someone who is very overweight.
They are very fat.
That's incorrect. Mackay, want to try?
Yes, please. Obese.
Or obesity. That is correct. Mackay, we're over to you. What's the name of this special type of friction acting between a moving object and the air through which it is moving?
Air resistance.
That's correct. Or air friction or drag. Mackay, riboflavin is another name for which specific vitamin?
Vitamin B2.
That's right. The vitreous humor is the clear gel that fills the space between which two parts of the human eyeball?
Retina and Lens.
That's correct. Which word means relating to or produced by the internal heat of the earth?
Geothermal.
That's correct. What substance produced by the human body keeps blood sugar at a healthy level?
Insulin.
5 of 5, Mackay. That is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of English language. It's between Coyote Mitchell of Belair Prep. Coyote is up against Dimitri Heslop of Creative Kids Learning Academy.